Hello friends, welcome. This is Vaishali from Monomosmy team. As we all know that we have our international essay competition every month, and today we have Dhanya here. She's one of our winner in our international essay competition. She's the 8th class student. She's studying in Indian International School, Dubai. Dhanya's fact from her own word is I am here with the skills in drafting essays and biographies. Her hobbies are like Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka. She is a wonderful in art and craft, hand sketching, literature, cooking, calligraphy, chess, dance, digital art, hand sketching, solving Sudoku, a lot of things. That's amazing, Hania. And she had taken a part in several contests before this contest, and she was the winner of multiple contests. So, congratulations, Hania.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how you come to know about this Monomosny International Essay Competition?
Ma'am, I came to know about this international essay competition while hunting through the internet for the opportunity to showcase my talent in writing essays and biographies.
Oh, that's great. So, at this young age, you have expertise in writing skills, as your buddies always find your essays are a helpful piece for them. So, how you write and how you inspire, what things are inspires to you to write?
Ma'am, I write based on the research I have done on the matter, and my inspiration always comes from my surroundings, regardless of the topic I choose to write on.
Okay, that's amazing. So, as you are in standard 8 and and I mean the standard 8 studies are very tight with the tight schedule. So, how do you get the extra time for the writing or for your other hobbies? Like you have lot of hobbies and you do a lot of things.
Ma'am, I get extra time after completing my task as I don't use a timetable, but yes, I use the Pomodoro method as my time management system. It really helps me to complete my tasks faster than I do without this method.
That's great. So, that means after completing your studies, you focus on this writing skills or you practice your hobbies, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
That's great. So, how supportive your teachers and parents are for such contest?
Ma'am, my teachers and my parents support me to enter this contest, and yes, their teaching has made me come this far in building my skills. They are my strongest pillars who help me scale.
That's great. So, really, really great. So, right now the online classes are going on. So, do you miss your school or you're enjoying your online classes?
Ma'am, to be honest, I have both emotions corresponding in different situations. I feel like going to school when I recall about my friends and when I'm alone as I'm the only child. But when we have some async classes and I finish my task, then I have some free time and I can use that time for any other purpose. At that time, I enjoy having online classes.
That's great. That means you are getting more time as compared to when you go to school to
Yeah,
focus on
ma'am.
your hobbies and writing skills. That's great. So, when you write, what kind of difficulties you face, how you deal with it, and what are the tips that you want to give our audience?
Ma'am, when I first take a blank paper or a blank document, my mind goes completely blank and I try to get an idea. So the first and the main thing is to find an idea. The second thing is how to jot down what we hold. I have experienced a lot of struggles to jot down the exact meaning of what I hold. And sometimes what we think might go wrong while jotting it down. So the words are important.
Exactly, very important. Like synonyms are there, but you have to choose that which one will be the right word for the right sentence.
Yeah, ma'am.
Correct.
And of course,
So,
emotions.
without emotions, you can't write anything until unless it's
Yeah.
not a technical thing. So, who is your inspiration?
Many people in my life I have come across have been my inspiration. However, to specify my grandfather, he has written a lot of novels, but has never said them out or published them. I admired his stories in all the journals has written. For the second, I grew up reading so many books, so I have great admiration for some authors.
That's great. So, what is your goal in your life? I mean, what you want to be in your life?
Ma'am, first I want to be a good human being and professionally an astronaut.
Wow. I mean, after a long time, I heard this answer that I want to be a good human being. That is the most important thing at the right situation.
Yeah.
That that's amazing. Very good. So, is there anything that you want to share with our audience?
Ma'am, I want to share that you gotta keep on running even though your feet get hurt because it's all gonna worth it in the end. So get up and work for your success. I know this pandemic is a tough time and you need to spend more time looking at your devices. Hence, try to get up and do something active. Take care and be safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You are in standard 8, but you said a very good thing which everyone has to be learned from you. So thank you so much, Tanya, to be here. It's really a great talking to you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.